the Irradiation Services Team, Philippine Nuclear Research Institute, Department of Science and Technology. To be received by Team Leader Aurelio L. Maningas and members Giuseppe Philam O. Dean, Franklin A. Pares, Heidi M. Solomon, and Geoffrey O. Tranquilan for no.
The Presidential Lingkod Bayan Award is conferred on Irradiation Services Team, Philippine Nuclear Research Institute, Department of Science and Technology, Diliman, Quezon City, for their outstanding contribution to the country's nuclear research program, particularly in improving the overall operations and control of irradiation facilities at the Philippine Nuclear Research Institute, thereby generating savings in maintenance costs of the country's irradiation equipment used for food preservation, medical product sterilization, and research. Given in the city of Manila, this 10th day of September in the year of our Lord 2019, signed Rodrigo Roa Duterte, President of the Philippines.
Thank you.